I always find this messy fasteners box and need to spend a lot of time in finding right one. I searched in Amazon for cheap Fasteners Organiser, but unfortunately all the products are costlier than I expected. Alright, let me design an organizer and get it 3D printed. I have found this design in Thingiverse.com and made some changes as per my need. I'm going to give only 15% as infill density for this print to reduce the material consumption and time spent on this project. I use Bambi Lab X1 Carbon and Ender 3 Son Pro for this project. Here are the cabinets and drawers printed ready. Alright, all the parts printed now and ready for assembly. Let's start assembling them. I think I should have a knob for pulling the drawer from cabinet. I am going to change the design with a knob on front side of the drawer. I like this design because it is modular and too simple. Modular cabinets that are easy to assemble just by a coupling component in between them. As you see in this video, all I need to do here is using the white component I need to build this box. The naming can be given to each drawers in the groove that you see in the front face of the drawers. Right, now the organizer assembly is ready, and let's start filling out the fasteners in each cabinet. I always use lot of fasteners, bearings and stepper motors drivers in my projects. This is the best product to store them all, and as a first step towards building my workshop, I'm going to start naming these drawers, and let's see in another video with another project. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the design, please do like, subscribe to Fuses Infinity and share to your friends. Follow us on Instagram, link in description below.